Welcome to Mindful Sleep Lab. Here, we explore science-based practices to help you regulate your nervous system, sleep better, and feel safer in your body. How to activate safety and connection using the Polyvagal Theory. And stay with me until the end, because I'll guide you through simple exercises to help expand your window of tolerance. That space where you feel balanced, calm, and able to handle life's challenges. The Polyvagal Theory, created by Dr. Stephen Porges, helps us understand how our nervous system reacts to the world, not just with fight or flight, but also with connection and safety. Our nervous system has three main states: safe and social. Ventral vagal, you feel calm, connected, curious, open. Fight or flight, sympathetic, you feel anxious, restless, overwhelmed, or angry. Shutdown, dorsal vagal, you feel numb, disconnected, tired, even hopeless. The goal isn't to never feel stress. It's to learn or ensure to return to safety, to come back home to yourself. And this is called regulation, and it's how we expand our window of tolerance. The zone where we feel okay, resilient, and balanced. When you're inside your window of tolerance, you can think clearly, connect with others, and handle stress. When you fall outside of it, you may feel either overwhelmed, anxious, panicked, or shut down, numb, frozen. The good news is, you can learn to widen this window by sending, signals of safety to your nervous system. Our nervous system is wired for connection. Safety doesn't come just from thinking positive. It comes from felt experiences of safety. This happens through eye contact, gentle voice tones, safe touch, memories of loved ones, nature, even connecting to yourself with kind presence. When we send these signals, the ventral vagal system activates, bringing calm, curiosity, and regulation. Let's try it together. Close your eyes if it feels safe. Take a deep breath in and out. Bring to mind someone, somewhere, or something that makes you feel safe, calm, and connected. It could be a person, a pet, a place in nature, or a memory. Notice. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel in your body? Let yourself soak in that feeling for a few breaths. This is your anchor of safety. You can return here anytime. Now, imagine an invisible thread connecting you to someone who cares about you, even if they are far away. Imagine them smiling at you. You are not alone. Your nervous system recognizes this signal of safety. Place a hand over your heart. Feel the warmth of your own presence. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Let's finish with a simple vagus nerve breathing practice. Inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Longer exhales signal safety to your nervous system. Repeat for a few rounds. Notice how your body feels. The more we practice sending cues of safety, the more our nervous system learns that we are safe. This is how we expand our window of tolerance, regulate stress, and feel more connected to ourselves and to the world. Save this video and practice anytime you need. If this was helpful, leave a like, share with someone who needs this, and subscribe to Mindful Sleep Lab for more nervous system healing tools.